Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all doing well. We're going to be looking in this video at question number 19 on our 2018 Fermat paper. Radford and Peter, I actually think I know the two people that this question is named after. Radford and Peter ran a race during which they both ran at a constant speed. Is it the same constant speed or not? I would say it's not entirely clear. I think they would say they both ran at constant speeds if they were necessarily different. But we'll see. Radford began the race 30 meters ahead of Peter. After 3 minutes, Peter was 18 meters ahead, so obviously Peter is running faster because he has caught up and gone past Radford. So they are at constant speeds, not a single constant speed between them. Okay, Peter won the race exactly 7 minutes after it began. So after 3 minutes, he'd passed Rad and gone even further, and then 4 minutes after that, Peter won. How far from the finish line was Radford after Peter won? Or when Peter won? Okay. So, I'm going to draw sort of a series of pictures representing key moments in the race. So we'll have the finish line down here. We'll have sort of little p for Peter's start, and R for Rad's start. And so we know we got a distance of 30 meters here. And so here we've got Peter and Radford. Now that's at 0 minutes. Then at 3 minutes, what have we got? Well, Rad's moved some distance. And Peter has overtaken him, and the difference between their distances now is 18 meters. Okay. And then Rad keeps going, and then Peter hits the end 4 minutes later at 7 minutes. Okay. So, I don't really need this P and little r here. I'm actually going to use them for P meters per second is going to be Peter's speed. R meters per second, Rad's speed. Okay, so how far has Rad gone? Takes Rad 3 minutes to go this distance. Maybe I should be saying meters per minute because everything's measured in minutes. It would make more sense to match things up. So Rad will have gone a distance of 3r. Peter will have gone a total distance of, well, he's also gone for 3 minutes, so he'll have gone a distance of 3p. But we know that that's going to be 30 plus 3r plus 18. So 3p is 48 plus 3r. We can say r is going to be 16, or p is going to be 16 plus r. Okay. Now, at the end of the race, Peter has gone, so he's gone 7p is the total distance of Peter's starting point to his ending point. Or should we say, well, yeah, so he's gone 7p. Rad will have gone 7r. Now the distance that we're interested in, this distance d, the answer that we want, d plus 7r plus the 30 sort of lead that Peter gave Rad is equal to 7p. So 7p is 30 plus 7r plus d. But using this equation, I can figure out 7p is whatever 7 times 16 is. I can't remember that off the top of my head. So 16 times 7 on my calculator, 112 plus 7r. So these two together tell me 112 is 30 plus d. And so just subtract 30 from both sides and you'll get d is 82 meters. So Rad is 82 meters behind Peter when Peter crosses the finish line. And if we look at our answers, we get 82 meters sitting right there. That's D. So let's bubble that in. And there we go. So we didn't actually need to figure out their speeds at all. We just sort of needed the difference between their speeds. But I like that. It's a good question. Hopefully question 20 will be just as good. We'll find out next time.